Great morning. I'm surprised I have reception right here. I typically don't get reception. So, well, also, good evening or morning if you're watching this later. And I want to talk about rest, right? The importance of rest. A lot of people don't talk about this, and I think it's very important, especially if you're new to muscle building, because there's different ways to train. If you're doing strength training, muscle building / bodybuilding, training for a marathon, you got to do different things, and they give you different results, right? For muscle building, you really want to work out 4 to 5 days a week and take 2 to 3 days off of training, right? You want to do that because your muscles need to recover, they need to rebuild. And if you work out like 2 body parts back to back, say you work out chest Monday, work out chest Tuesday, your chest hasn't fully recovered and you're opening up the tears again. It's like picking out a scab. And what happens when you pick out a scab, it opens up again and doesn't heal right, and so you won't get big if you're trying to build muscle. If you're trying to lose weight, you could do the same muscle parts every single day. You'll lose weight, you'll probably burn some muscle too, but that's your goal, is to lose weight, to get skinny or whatever, right? That's your goal. There's nothing wrong with that. But I know if you're following me, you like to learn about muscles, about building your strength. What up, Ryan? How's it going? Thank you for hopping on my live. So I'm talking about rest days. How many times you should rest a week if you're trying to build muscle. And for me, optimally is 2 to 3 days. Working out 4 to 5 days, right? A week. Really want to do that. Okay? Recover so your muscles rebuild. Today I typically rest, but because I have energy, I've been sleeping more lately. I just feel better that way. You know, I'm more rested, think better, my head is sharper, and I don't react to things. I like to respond to things, right? Take a moment, assess the situation, and then decide what I want to do, not react. For example, like somebody could honk a horn at you while you're driving, right? You could like respond, like react angrily or whatever, or you could just be calm, think about what's going on, and then make a decision. That's what I like to do, and I could do that better when I sleep and I rest well. If I'm not well rested, I'm kind of reacting. And this connects back to your muscles, right? You want to sleep well, rest well, so your body recovers, you build those stronger muscles. If not, it's going to slow down. You probably won't see any results. So I want you to get results, so make sure you rest. Okay, I'm going to put more details on the description below or above so that you can go back and read it, and I'm going to put more tips down there too, because as I write things down, I start fleshing out ideas, and I start tapping into more knowledge that I have. Okay, so hope you're having a great morning. What day are we on today? Wednesday. Happy Wednesday.